Hi guys, this is Sharmishtha. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are fine and enjoying this lockdown period. Today I'll be showing you this eye makeup. So first of all, I'm applying Face It from Makeup Studio as a eyeshadow base. You can use any eyeshadow base or any concealer that you have. So using a flat brush, I'm applying it over my eyelids. This makeup eye look is for brides, and if you are going to any wedding or any party, you can use this look. I'm setting it with the translucent powder from RCMA. You can use any translucent powder. I will be using a eyeshadow palette from iMagic. So taking this pink shade from iMagic, I'm applying it on my eyes using a fluffy brush. I will be using only a single eyeshadow palette today. So the product details will be mentioned in the description box, so you can check this out. So this is a eyeshadow palette from iMagic. I'm applying a little amount and then I will go on building the color and blending it towards the inner corner of my eyes. This eye look is heavy, so it would take time. So if you have less time, then don't go for this eye look, but if you have time, then surely you go for this look when you are going to any wedding. This eye makeup is very good for brides. Look very good on them. You can see how I am blending it towards the inner corner. Taking a light brown shade using another fluffy brush, I will just blend the harsh lines and blend it. So how you guys are spending this lockdown period? Please let me know on my comment section. Applying a black eyeshadow and then blending it. Take a very little amount because you are applying black, and if you don't do that, then you might end up with a very messy look, or the eye would look black. It would not look good. So take a very little amount and then go on blending. Build the color taking a very little amount at a time. I'm actually enjoying this lockdown period because I can spend a lot of time practicing makeup, singing and dancing. Also, I do have my official work as well. So you guys let me know how you are spending this lockdown. I'm blending it toward the inner corner. Always use a clean brush while blending colors. Don't use a dirty brush. So you can see how my eyes are looking right now. I wanted it to be dark, and so I applied little more black and then blended it. Eye makeup should look well blended, so blending it once again, applying a little more black shade to make it more dark, and then blending it. This is a eye tutorial, guys, so I will be not showing the whole full face makeover, how to do it. I am just showing how to create this eye look. So taking concealer again and then applying it on the eyelid, following the crease line to the to 1/3 of my eyes, where I will be applying the glitters and the shimmery shade. You can use any brush that you are comfortable with to draw the crease. I'm using a flat brush and then drawing the crease line and applying it to the 1/3 of my eyelids, blending it to with the edge of my brush, because if you don't blend, then after you apply the eyeshadow it will not look well blended. So you should always blend this with the edge of brush or your fingers. Applying a shimmery shade from the same palette to cover the areas I have applied the concealer. Following the same trick, guys, you can create the eye look with different colors, as I always mention in my videos that don't follow the colors that I am applying. You can use color as per your choice, and if you want you can also create this eye look with these colors only. So applying shimmery shade now with fingers to make it more prominent, because fingers are best when we're applying shimmery shade or when we're applying glittery eyeshadows. It's best to use fingers. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe to get more videos like this, more videos on singing and dancing. I'm applying glue from Miss Claire. All the products name will be mentioned in the description box, so guys don't worry, I will mention all the products name. Generous amount of glue I'm applying on my eyelid. This is a glitter from MAC, Iridescent White. It's very good and very glittery, very shiny. It looks very good on your eyes. I'm applying it with my fingers. You can use brush as well, but I find it's more easy to apply with your fingers. And for the small areas like the inner corner and the outer line, you can use a small brush. I will show you how I am doing it. I'm applying a generous amount because I want my eyes to look very shimmery. I know, guys, this is a very difficult period everyone is facing, but as I have mentioned that I'm utilizing it in a good way, you also utilize it in a good way. Spend time with your families and stay at home and try different things which you have never tried before. Try those things, try cooking, try doing makeover, try singing, dancing. This is a kajal from Inglot. I'm applying it on the lower waterline, and I will be applying it on the upper waterline as well. This is the most difficult task because you can see how my eyes are getting watery. Though it's a very good kajal, but I don't know why I always end up with water in my eyes while applying kajal. I find very difficult. Okay, you can see I am applying kajal on the lower waterline, the inner corner of the eyes, and I'll be applying it on the upper waterline as well. using a black eyeshadow from the same palette, I am just blending the kajal on the lower lash line using a pencil brush. Taking a pink shade and applying it with another brush, applying it on the lower lash line so that it looks very well blended. You can see how I am applying it. Try this makeover, guys, and let me know how this turned out. I'm applying the same pink shade with a bigger brush to blend it well. This is my Fab mascara, as you all know, Smashbox. It's from Smashbox, and I am applying a very good coat of mascara. You can use any mascara that you have. I'm applying it on the upper lash and then the lower lash as well. I can see that there are some harsh lines, so I'm just blending the harsh lines with a clean brush and then highlighting my inner corner of the eyes using a highlighting shade from the same palette. As I have mentioned that today I'll be using only one eyeshadow palette. So if you have only one eyeshadow palette, then also you can create this look. I will be using a false lash today. So the false lash are from PAC. So here is the final look after applying lash. The lash glue is from I guess Duo or something like that. I will mention the name. And the lash are from PAC. The number I forgot, so I'll be mentioning the number as well. Applying highlighting shade on the brow bone. So guys, here is my final look. I hope you guys like this eye makeover. If yes, then don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and do comment how you are spending your lockdown. I'll be waiting for your comments. And until my next video, stay tuned guys. Thank you for watching. Bye, stay safe.